Hello, my crafty friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my Plan with Me video for the week of July 6th through the 12th. And this week I am going to be sort of going with my blue, white, and red theme. I added quite a bit of green to the spread, but kind of just going with that whole red, white, and blue kind of theme throughout the month of July. But this week I pulled something out of my stash that I've had in my stash forever. It's that sticker sheet that's sitting there, and I decided that I wanted to use this as my inspiration piece. Again, had it in my stash for at least 3 years now, and just never have used it before. So I really want to try to kind of going back to that. I really want to try to use up some of my stash. I've bought so much stuff since this quarantine. I'm just like, I've got to use some of the stuff I already have so that I can make room for the new stuff. So I pulled this out and I'm so happy that I used it and that it's being used and it has a purpose. But I have to admit, it wasn't my favorite spread. I actually, it's interesting because when I look at it in the video, I'm like, it's not so bad. So it's interesting when I'm actually doing it. Sometimes I'm like, I don't really like this. I don't like how it's turning out. It's not really turning out the way I wanted it to. But then when I go back and look at it in the video, I'm like, oh, it's actually kind of cute. So it's just, I don't know. And I think I was just, I said to my sister, we were FaceTiming while I was creating this, and I said, I'm just going to phone this one in because I just wasn't really feeling it, wasn't feeling too inspired to do my planner spread, but I just really want to have one every single week. So I just force myself to do it. And the interesting thing is she has never heard of that expression, phoning it in. I would love for you guys to leave me a comment down below and let me know if you guys heard of that expression, phoning it in. But yeah, so anyway, I basically what I decided to do was I wanted to make the blue lines on the planner layout to kind of match more with the stickers. So you can kind of see it matches that blue cherish sticker that's sitting there in the corner up in the left hand corner. The color, it matches quite a lot better than the blue that was on the planner. So that's why I did that. And that's just a thin washi that I think I got at Dollar Tree. And what I decided to do with the paper this time, I just wanted to use just minimal paper. I really wanted the stickers to be more of the focal point for this particular spread. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a couple strips down. I decided to kind of make it like a little bit of a two different strips here. And then I'm also going to do basically the same thing for the weekend. And I'm going to put that as one kind of longer strip. So I'm going to actually do Saturday and Sunday as one kind of section, I guess. So yeah, so I completely cut that completely crooked. I'm trying to straighten it, and then I think it was still completely crooked. And I'm like, okay, let's just get a whole new page. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of do the same thing I did with the green and the like pinky red. Um, it's kind of a weird red color, but yeah. So I am just going to go ahead and cut a little strip of that. And then I'm also going to cut some of the green up as well. And the reason why I pulled the green with the paper, I mean for the paper choice, is there was quite a bit of green kind of throughout the stickers, and I felt like this particular green, the two different colors with the little leaf pattern and then um, the little leaf pattern, it just kind of went. The two colors went with the different colors that were in the stickers, and so that's why I ended up using this. And both of those pieces of paper also were for my stash. So I'm just using up my stash, which I appreciate. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and glue that like that, and then that like that. And then I thought about maybe putting another strip on the side panel, but I opted to not to do that. All right, so then I'm going to go ahead and just use my Fabri-Tac again and just get that glued down, everything glued down. And I like that because I'm able to have a little bit of wiggle room before it kind of catches, and I'm able to make sure it's in the right spot. And yeah, I'm just going to get all of the pieces glued down and then it's going to be sticker time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and make my little insert piece that I make typically. I know this one's a pretty quick one, but like I said, I kind of just wanted to make sure I had something in my planner for this time around this week, and um, I don't want any blank pages this year. That's my goal. So far so good. I don't have any that I haven't done. So I just getting it done kind of thing. And that was the mood I was in. So okay, so I just cut a piece of that pink paper and then I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of this um, green paper to put it on top. And then I specifically didn't use some of the stickers from the uh, little sticker pack there. I didn't use some of them because I knew I wanted to include them on the journal card. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that there on the side and then get that sticker. There's like a fly free and it's got a butterfly on there. Oh yeah, I added a strip of that um, washi tape. And then yeah, so I'm just going to put that sticker there. And then there's the red, white, and blue, right? Because it's got white on the sticker and then I know I added green, but you know, yeah, so oh yeah, I decided I was gonna add those little pinwheel stickers to the top there. And then yeah, grab those and just put those on there. And I think I didn't use the cherry ones, but I will use those in another spread, I'm sure, sometime. So yeah, that's what my planner looks like. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I will see you again next week. And subscribe and click like and all that good stuff if you're interested in seeing my videos from now on. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.